In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to payroll in QuickBooks. We're going to record a payroll expense in QuickBooks online so it shows up accurately in your books and reports. This walkthrough is perfect if you run payroll outside of QuickBooks or need to enter a manual payroll cost. First, open QuickBooks online and sign into your company. From the left navigation, head to Expenses to view your vendor and expense activity. This puts you on the right screen to create a clean, trackable entry. Now start a new expense. Use the button on this page to create a new expense transaction. This opens a form where you'll capture who was paid, how it was paid, and which account it should hit. Begin by selecting the payee at the top. Pick the correct employee, contractor, or payroll provider you paid for this payroll run. Choosing the right payee helps you filter activity later and keeps your vendor or employee history complete. Next, choose the payment account. Open the drop-down and select cash if you paid out of a cash account. If you used a different account, make sure the account you pick matches where the money actually came from in real life. Getting this right keeps your bank reconciliation smooth. Move down to the category details section, click into the category field, and start typing to search. Type payroll to quickly narrow your options, then select payroll expenses. This tells QuickBooks to record the cost to your payroll expense account so it rolls up properly on your profit and loss. With the category set, fill in the details. Enter the amount you paid and add a clear description or memo, like the pay period or what's included, regular wages, payroll fees, or similar. Use the transaction date that matches when the payment cleared your account. Accurate dates make your period reporting reliable. If you need to repeat this entry for another period, use the copy option. Copy creates a duplicate expense you can tweak without rebuilding from scratch. After copying, update the date, amount, or memo so each entry reflects the correct pay run. When everything looks good, choose Save and Close. QuickBooks will post the transaction, and you'll see it listed on your Expenses page. From here, you can review it in your Profit and Loss under Payroll Expenses to confirm it landed exactly where you expected. That's it. By selecting the right payee, payment account, and the payroll expenses category, and then saving, you've recorded payroll cleanly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and keep your books up to date after each pay run to make month end a breeze.